up to solving problems within the team's dynamic.
You may have noticed that in the beginning of everything that we do, we say hit it or we count, and then that's like a way of our communication so that we can stick together and be all as one. And if we don't do that, then someone will get hurt and keep us all together.
Out there and performing in front of fans and peers every week has definitely personally increased my confidence and makes public speaking like this so much easier.
As a cheerleader, your fans, family, and teammates all help boost your confidence and make you feel good as a cheerleader and a person in general. Personally, cheerleading has helped me become more confident and friend. When I was
on going every time we fall down because we grow as a team.
Cheerleading comes with a lot of different traits, but the main one is confidence. Confidence is when you feel comfortable enough to put yourself out there in front of your people.
Being part of a team helps you realize how unique you are, which helps you be confident in your own skin. The team is